What's up, world? I'm Nazimsaliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate it. Today, you guys, I'm unboxing my favorite, like all-time favorite Nike SB Dunks, you guys. It's my very first purchase off of StockX and I'm really excited to unbox that. It's the very last shoe. I'm gonna save that for last. First of all, on top here, I was able to hit on a bunch of Stussy clothes that dropped on Sneakers app just a little bit ago. So I got a little bit of streetwear and then the shoes for very last. Let's just start off with the first bag on top here. And I don't know in what order we're going, but let's see here what I got first. All right, this is actually, oh, this is the skirt. This is a skirt I ordered for my wife. Check it out over here. You got the Stussy logo right there, and then you got the Nike logo on the back right there. Check it out. It's nice. It's like one of those poofy jacket type materials, windbreaker material. It's got a nice zipper on the side here. I think that's for it's got a button as well, and then here's the zipper. You're able to put it on, and then you also got a pocket. You got pockets right here, and it says here installation experts. So yeah, very nice quality Stussy skirt right here, you guys. I'll throw that off to the side and keep going. I got another black bag and then a couple brown bags, and then we'll do the boxes. But let's see here, this next bag is, I think, a shirt. Yep, this is a shirt, and I was able to hit on this t-shirt. It says Stussy right there. New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, Paris. So just a plain black on the back here. This is a medium, you guys, and this thing is huge actually for a medium. It's really big. It's really big for a medium, but yeah, very clean Stussy logo right there. Really nice. I'll throw that to the side and open these paper bags real quick. It's my first time getting paper bags because I really don't order clothes off the Sneakers app, mainly shoes. But yeah, another Stussy shirt right here, guys. I was able to hit on the white one as well. Same logo on the front. It's actually New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, Paris again. Stussy and the Nike. But again, this is a medium and it's freaking humongous, you guys. It's a big shirt, but nevertheless, it's a nice shirt. Let's go on to this one right here. I forget what this one is. Oh, actually, never mind. I know what this is. I got two shirts, and then I got a long sleeve shirt. This is a long sleeve Stussy shirt right here, and this one's different than the other two. Oh, nice Nike sign on the back right there. Big Nike check, and on the front, you got the Stussy logo right there, you guys. Very nice. Just big Stussy logo on the front with the Nike on the back. This one is a, what size is this? This is a medium too. It's kind of big, but it's all right. Definitely nice. I really like the check on the back. I would have preferred if they put the check on all the shirts on the back, just so you know it's a nice hit on the back right there. But anyway, there's that. We got these, and go figure, I don't have my knife to open this. But just like that, and these right here, you guys. It's a small thin box. You can probably guess what they are. Tape won't get off my finger. There it is. All right, slide them out. Slide out the slides, and yep, it is a white pair of Stussy slides. You guys, check them out. Over here, Stussy logo on the slide here. Oh, it's actually like this. I just pulled off the size tag, and then you got the Nike branding on the inside there, and looks like a pretty decent slide. It's not like the best quality, but you got a Nike on the bottom as well, and then this is kind of like a felt material. It's soft, I don't even know what to call it, but anyway, you guys, yeah, size 9 Stussy slides. And let's go on to this next one right here. I think I know what this one is as well. If I can get it without tearing the box up too much. This is a humongous jacket. Stussy jacket. Get this out of the way. Let's see here. No branding on the back. No branding on the back. And then you got a Nike on the sleeve right here. Another Stussy branding on the other sleeve right there. And this thing is a large, so pretty big. It's a pull. It looks like it's a pullover. Let me try it on for you guys real quick and see how it fits. Oh, there you go. How's it look? How's it look, you guys? It's kind of big, but it's got a nice little pouch right here. Very poofy, very warm, but it's winter time, so this thing is like 350 bucks or something like that. Very expensive coat, but you know, that's the name for you, Stussy and Nike. But yeah, nice little like soft material right here, like cotton material right here on your hand, so it doesn't really, you know, hurt or scratch you. But yeah, I really like this with the hood, of course, and you got the strings right here to tighten the hood. But let's move on to the last box, you guys. And like I said, this is, you'll find out why this is my favorite shoe of all time. Or not my favorite shoe, my favorite SB of all time. My favorite shoe of all time is the Red 11s that I wear out in the garage. And these are probably my favorite shoe, like non-hype shoe or the Red 11s. These are my favorite hype shoe. And then these are like my favorite SB dunks, you guys. Alright guys, I just want to jump in here real quick and remind everybody about the Jubilee giveaway. It's actually right here, you guys. It's a size 13. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, and comment 3 people in the post on the IG post. So if you guys want to enter in this giveaway, just follow the rules and I will announce this giveaway in a couple weeks. So let's get back into the unboxing. I got a few other dunks right here, the Blue Lobsters, the Sea Crystals, and then these Mallards, the Turdunkins. But here's this. This is my first time opening these with you guys. Check out the box right over here, Nike SB. Purple box, you guys, purple box. I have the multicolored box right here. Got the StockX sticker right there. Nice holiday card right there with some KAWS dolls on the sticker. And then I got the receipt right here as well. I got the receipt. I'm gonna cover up what I bought, but there you go. There's the price of the shoes. It's like 534 bucks. And the shoes, obviously, themselves, it is the, can you see it? Of course you can. It's the Chicago, you guys, the Chicago Nike SB Dunks. These things are freaking clean. Look at these things. I'm a diehard. Why do you think I wore this shirt, this jersey? Why do you think I wore it? It's just, you know, a little hint for everybody out there. It's got the extra laces right there, the white laces. But here's the StockX tag right there on the side. It's actually flipped over. Let me flip it on the other side. There's StockX right there. The extra laces right here. I got Zoom Air on the inside. See if I can catch the light. I can't really, but you know, Nike SB on the bottom right there. Red bottom, and just the classic Chicago colorway, you guys. You got Nike SB Dunk Low Pro on the tongue right there. These are so freaking nice, you guys. I freaking love these. I love them. The leather is actually a nice cut of leather. It's like a thick cut. The toe box right here is kind of tumbled. It's not like crazy tumbled, but it is a little bit. And the quality is actually pretty decent. It's not the best, but it's, you know, for me it's not even about the leather or the cut. It's just the colorway. Like I got the Chicago colorway in these. I got the bread satin ones right there on the shelf. And to have the Chicago Dunks and to be a diehard Chicago fan, you know, Bulls, Bears, and then I'm also Albanian, and the Albanian flag is black and red. So black and red for me just runs deep. Like it runs deep. So I had to have these. I had to have these in the collection, you guys. I absolutely you know, stoked that I was able to get them. They're a 9.5, so these are definitely going on feet. Maybe not now, but maybe like spring, summertime. And check it out one more time, you guys. They're just absolutely freaking gorgeous. Nike stitched on the back right there. I freaking love these shoes. They're freaking amazing. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I got some more really crazy shoes coming on the way, and besides that, you know, I said I'm doing my basketball video. Besides the basketball video, I got some other like more reaction videos, interactive videos. I'm gonna go out in public and interact with people a little more and switch the content up a little bit. But I really appreciate everybody watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.